In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install WhatsApp on phone. By the end, you'll have the app installed and your account ready to chat. All you need is your smartphone, an internet connection, and the phone number you want to use with WhatsApp. If you're using an Android phone, open the Google Play Store. You'll find it on your home screen or in your app drawer. If you're on an iPhone, open the Apple App Store from your home screen. Make sure you're signed in with your Google account or Apple ID, and it's a good idea to be on Wi-Fi so the download is quick and doesn't use mobile data. Next, use the search bar at the top of the store and type WhatsApp or WhatsApp Messenger. Look for the official app listing. It should show the familiar green icon with a white speech bubble and phone inside. On Android, the developer is listed as WhatsApp LLC, and on iPhone, you'll see the same name. Checking the developer and ratings helps you avoid lookalike apps. When you found the official app, tap Install on Android or Get on iPhone. On iPhone, you might be asked to confirm with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. The download will begin. You can watch the progress bar, and if your phone says you're low on storage, consider deleting unused apps or photos first. Once the button changes to open, you're ready to set things up. Open WhatsApp to begin account creation. Start by reviewing and agreeing to the terms of service and privacy policy. Then select your country, enter your phone number, and tap Continue. WhatsApp will send you a verification code by SMS. Most phones fill this in automatically. If not, type the code exactly as received. Never share this code with anyone. If WhatsApp detects an existing backup from Google Drive on Android or iCloud on iPhone, you'll have the option to restore your chats. This is optional. Choose what works for you. Next, create your profile by adding your name and, if you like, a photo. This helps your contacts recognize you. When prompted, allow permissions that make WhatsApp work smoothly. Allowing contacts lets the app find people you already know on WhatsApp. Enabling notifications ensures you don't miss messages or calls. You can adjust these later in your phone settings. That's it. WhatsApp is installed and your account is ready. You can start a new chat, create groups, and make voice or video calls with your contacts. If something doesn't look right, return to the App Store listing to update the app, and you'll be good to go. Thanks for watching and enjoy your conversations on WhatsApp.